Alright, we're doing another war video. We're not going to do intros because you should know the names by now. But just in case, this is Benji, Andrew, and Matthew. I gave him a new gun. He's giving me others. But I don't know. I'm going to let him use it. It's my other Stinger stuff. Stinger P311. Yeah. It's okay. I have like 3 more. What? Oh, yeah. He's using a new gun. He's not using the Scorpion. He's using the shotgun, which is pretty sexy. I might actually just trade the Stinger for this gun. Yeah, you know what? If you want that pistol, I get this. Yeah, bruh. That is high quality right there. That pistol is high quality. And he's using his grease gun. It's okay. He's using his M4. And always, I'm using my PDW. And I got no mask on today because I don't feel like it. But otherwise, play with a mask, please. Because I do not like that. You know I'm looking up, but you guys don't see it. Wow. We have some updates to do. And I don't want to show you our updates. Because I'm going to be doing that, like, in the next video. Oh, no, wait, shoot. Oh, no, never mind. Fine. Sneak peek. I'm going to be, actually, never mind. You've seen this. Because I'm going to be posting a video on it before this. So, here you go. We have our treehouse. If you haven't seen the video, please go check it out. It's an update, number 4, I think. Or 3, I don't remember. But we got a lot of videos to upload because I'm here this ladder. Going down a ladder right now. Okay. Here they are. So yeah, we built 2 tree houses. You can kind of see the ladder in one. Right there's that. And then there's our one right here. This one's more overpowered, but I can't do anything about it because we got really, not really lazy, but pretty lazy because we built that one. But yep, they're the same. Yeah, are we going to do tag spawn? Spawn point tag? You get hit, you have to go back to your spawn point? And your partner has to tag you? Or do you just want to be, you get hit and you go back to your spawn point and you keep going? Because either one, which one we do first, we're doing. Okay, so then the next video we're doing, your partner has to tag you. So yeah. How many likes? 3? Let's do 3, because you're not recording. I am. And if it's too long, I'll end the video and we can keep playing. But I'll get freebies, because you can't shoot. Okay. You can't even see that. Okay, sorry, I'm just checking my... Okay. Nope. I'm pretty sure I'm loaded. Okay. Don't. Hey, do you have your whistle? Where is it? No. Gotta grab this whistle. I'm just gonna wipe it off. And I'm not gonna use my spit. Also, I'll blow the whistle if I'm turning off my camera because it's too long. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Watch right side. You get shot? Oh. Hey, watch Matthew. Flank him. He's going down the stairs. Oh, no. They're both on the right. Oh. Hey, push! hit you! Not you, Matthew. Not much moving. Oh, crap. Benji, get out! Benji! Benji, look out, look out! Shoot. Benji, you dumbass.
No, I have to go back to the spawn point once I get here, so I have 2 left. I know, so I have 2 left.
I'm flanking. Benji over here. Hey, Benji over here. Huh? Okay. Oh, hit! Yes! Touched it. Hey, come to me, Benji.
So bad.
Fox up. Foxhole. Hey! Oh, shit. Oh, dang. Bang, 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 bang! Sorry, guys. Alright, truce. Don't be that guy. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. I'll do part 2. You can't shoot me! Alright.